this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge Apple Watch Ultra 3 without a charger. Now, while it is possible for you to do this is going to depend primarily on what you have available. So, to charge your Apple Watch normally, you will use this magnetic puck. You plug it into a wall adapter and then into a wall outlet. And by placing the Apple Watch on the charging puck itself, it will begin charging. If you don't have access to a wall adapter, you can still find ways to charge your Apple Watch, and it is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. However, if you lost both the magnetic charging puck and the wall adapter, then it basically becomes impossible. So keep that in mind. The bare minimum that you will need, regardless of the method that you choose, is the ability to place the Apple Watch Ultra on this charging puck. Even if you don't have the wall adapter, that is okay, because all that you need is a valid power source. Connect this USB cable into any valid power source. Some examples would include possibly modern iPhones, an iPad, a laptop. This can be a Windows PC, it can be a MacBook, it can be a desktop PC. Any of these should work, as long as you plug the USB cable into a USB port, and of course as well a power bank. It is going to draw power from any of these devices, assuming that they have power pass-through enabled, and it is going to begin charging the Apple Watch placed on the charging puck. However, like I said before, this is reliant on this particular cable with the charging puck attached. If you lost access to its entirety and you also don't have the wall adapter, it becomes impossible. So I hope I was able to clear up any questions you had. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.